All right, guys, we are at our next service call. Try to read what it says to you guys. Okay, this one just says AC not cooling. Let's go. Let's see, mode. So does it blow any air at all?
It blows air, it just doesn't get cooled enough, especially down here. Upstairs a little cool, down here now.
And of course we got a crawl space. With no light. Let me check out this filter. I think I hear the fan running. Look at that. That outdoor is not running. So I need a new filter for sure. Alright, let's see what's going on. Take this off. That was loose already. Okay, I just noticed this thing. Once I took this door off, I just noticed this float switch right here, basically. And that pump is full, so that's what's going on. Look at this float. Okay, that's good. This pump is full for whatever reason. See, they got this wired into the... They hardwired this to the furnace. I didn't turn off the power, so... Let me put this door on, see if that'll make a difference. I'm tripping. The unit just came on. This pump is not pumping. And it has power because I hadn't turned this switch off. So need a new pump, guys, but honestly I don't know if I have one on the truck. I think that's one of the things I have been forgetting to get. Man. Guys, I do not have one on the truck, unfortunately. It is 5:06, so I'm gonna go to Home Depot because the supply shops are closed. That sucks. So I'm just gonna make sure everything works on this unit before as far as, you know, nothing else that could be wrong with it, before I go ahead and get that condensate pump. Alright, pressures look about normal. Golly. So I'm gonna have to go get this pump. I'm gonna leave my tools here for now. I know that's not a good idea, but you should be okay. It's kind of a dumb thing to do, but I'll be back. Alright guys, I'm going to Lowe's. That's I mean, everybody knows what Lowe's is, so that's where I'm headed to, because Home Depot is 17 minutes. Lowe's is 11 minutes. Might as well just save some time. And they do have it in stock. So that's what I'm about to go do. Alright guys, we are here, 6 o'clock. I probably would have been on my way to the other call already, but it is what it is. And our tools are here. Yes! Wow, what a nice way. Oh gosh, there's a bag in there. Glad I got that on video. This thing doesn't even bring the wires. Trying to make sure it don't got no cardboard on it. Like the Little Giants. Turn this off. There. Should be okay. Now I gotta rewire this in here. So I had one of these just laying on the truck. Just gonna use it for the pump since this one didn't bring them. Okay, let's get this bad boy turned on. Good. .30 guys, so about 30 minutes after ensuring that everything came on, letting it run, checking the temp split. That's what happens when you don't got everything in stock on your van. Lesson learned, lesson learned.